Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to talk about the changes that I discussed in a previous video, the upcoming changes that we had. Those of you who've been paying attention over the last couple of days may have noticed that our channel name has changed. We dropped the PrimeTime UCF name and we are now known as PrimeTime Travelers. We kept a similar logo, but we just made a little modification to it to reflect the current name. But those of you who've been watching, thank you so much for watching. We have a lot of big things coming up that we have planned. Once again, I kind of mentioned it in the other change video, the PrimeTime name we wanted to stick with. And when you think PrimeTime, you think like primetime television. So from this point going forward, when our changes take effect, which our changes are going to take effect on Sunday, April the 25th, other than the name change, it's already been done in the logo. When it takes effect, everything is going to be posting in prime time. Our videos will be posting at 8 p.m. Tomorrow, Saturday, April 24th, will be our final 10 a.m. post. Then starting on Sunday morning, you will start seeing the new post coming at the new time, which is going to be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S., which is like the East Coast. Okay, so after you see the final 10 a.m. vlog this Saturday, we're switching to prime time, and it's going to switch our days of the week as well. We are now going to be posting 3 times a week. So we're going to be posting every Sunday, every Tuesday, and every Thursday. Have you ever heard the saying, you're going out for a Sunday drive? Well, that's what we're doing. Our PrimeDrives videos are going to now be every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time going forward. So those of you who love the PrimeDrives idea, the PrimeDrives videos that we put out, the playlist of those, every Sunday, 8 p.m. will be a brand new PrimeDrives video. I'm just really excited. I mean, the channel has just continued to grow. We're getting close to 1,300 subscribers. As you come across our videos and you're watching them, please feel free to share them on any type of social media that you're on. The more you can help us spread our videos out there and get our names out there, the more this channel is going to grow. And we thank everybody that's been helping us grow over the last few months, because we've really seen a lot of growth since November to right now, which is the end of April. And this about 5 month time frame, the channel has just grown exponentially, and we are so thankful for everybody that's been watching. We've got some regulars who are always leaving comments in our comment section. That's the kind of thing we want to see. We want to build our community. We want to build our channel. We just want to have a lot of interaction. We also want to get a lot of views, and obviously that's what this is all about. We want to entertain you and take you places that you might not be able to go to on your own. And when we do our first PrimeVisits vlog, which is going to be Tuesday night at 8 p.m., it's actually going to be a very special episode. We traveled down to Fort Myers, Florida. We were invited down to the Edison Ford Estates to record as much as we could. We recorded probably 2 hours worth of footage. We've all shrunk it all down to about a 10-minute vlog that's going to come out on Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. Because we don't want to give everything away. We want you guys to go there and go visit this place, because they were nice enough to invite us down. We want you guys to come out and check it out for yourselves. So all the changes that are happening, very exciting. To everyone that's been subscribed, thank you so much. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button down below. Come on, let's go. Let's get those numbers up there. We can do this. PrimeTime UCF. UCF is still my alma mater. It's going to always be my school. It's always going to be near and dear to my heart. But we've dropped that name. We are PrimeTime Travelers, and we will see you soon.